Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have fried snow crab, fried shrimp, fried corn, fried... Everything is fried.
Everything. We have the Mexican corn, you know?
Mexican fried corn.
Let me fix my foot good because I'm ready to get down now.
Okay, so we just went to the store and got some snow crab and we fried it up. And the hubby did a good recipe. We can't wait to dig in. This sauce, like I told you guys before, is just ranch and sriracha. It goes on everything.
Yum yum sauce.
Yeah. I want you guys to take a look at this.
Don't put the stuff in there.
No, they need to see this. They need to see it. It's fried to perfection.
Do not put the stuff in the camera, okay?
Yes. So how you guys been? You guys saw our seafood yesterday? Our pepper shrimp.
Hold on. Before we start, you hungry? You hungry?
I'm hungry, guys.
Family, I gotta tell you a story after I eat a little bit with it. Let me eat a little bit. That's what we drinking. Eat a little bit, okay, family? I gotta tell you, because when first they get hungry, she's hungry.
So these are ranch shrimps, okay? I use ranch seasoning to season them with.
Oh yeah, those are gonna sprinkle.
We're
up there.
We're gonna sprinkle some all over it.
Yeah.
Some more seasoning. Yeah. Why not?
What are we looking at?
Why not, people? God damn, this shrimp is good. I'm hungry.
Y'all gonna see why I'm laughing later. I'll tell you why I'm laughing later.
What story are you telling them?
Well, my birthday night.
We were gone a few days, guys, but I took the hubby out.
My birthday weekend, we had to chill. You know? I didn't feel like doing a video that time because, you know, we always show you birthday stuff, huh? You're probably tired of it. So, we didn't bother y'all. Okay? But we are back now. Just eat. Wow.
Snap your ass.
Look at that. Wow.
What made you want to have fried snow crab? He's been harassing me for this, guys.
I've been. Too far for you?
What?
Plate.
Cause you know somebody can't see? Is that your trying to say?
Can't somebody.
This is another one. I gotta get all the meat out. We can't see, man.
You see?
We can't see. This sauce is bussin'. We're gonna eat a little bit. I'm hungry. You not hungry, Tom?
I'm hungry. I don't know about you. Okay. Wow, this one is huge.
I'm telling y'all, that ranch and sriracha, oh my god, it tastes so good with the corn. This Cajun corn, that's how they do it at Wingstop. This is good.
Courtesy of me.
It's so simple. Just Cajun season salt. And fry it. But the corn has to be dry. It can't be wet. Or frozen.
Have to be wet. Wow. First day says you're hungry.
I get my food, man.
Wow. That sounds good.
I'm telling you, it is good. No cap, I'm telling you guys. Try it on everything. It's so good. Come. You got the meat out of there?
Yeah.
Oh. Man, it's expensive in Ohio. This thing was not cheap.
I mean, sure.
Before the corona, you can buy a bag for $20. Now they want $40.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Now it's $40. And you know. And no reason to inflate the price. But they do that on purpose. It's all about making money. COVID. Lies.
Cloudy. I had a wonderful birthday.
You did, honey?
Yes. First day, they always come to our crunch time.
Crunch time.
First day, he took me out. No? We was right next to I don't know if y'all seen it. What happened to the little boy Orlando? We was right there. That's so sad.
Right next to the park.
We was right next to the park. Okay? If y'all seen it, comment down. Whoever live up inside in Orlando already know. But so sad. Okay?
You know, I understand that it's a park and whatnot. But everybody was just in the was still in the park. And they was around, not too like the ride. Everyone was still in the park enjoying their ride, like as if someone just didn't die. What, 2 weeks ago? And I get it. You know, life goes on. I get it. But I feel like
that's so sad.
I feel like the park could have did better.
Yep. All the park part. But okay. What y'all thoughts on that? But first they took me out, you know. So quick story. I thought I was gonna give you a story. But this is a story.
Let me ask you a question. Why you chat so much, man? Chat.
No, I'm gonna hungry, man.
Always telling my business.
So this is a story, family. First day, had a plan. Come to a bashy restaurant. You know. You know where the food is? I'm there. So first day said, I'm gonna eat one thing from morning. I'm only gonna eat one thing in the morning. I'm not eating nothing else for the day. Okay. So we're here like 10 o'clock, right? Took our journey to where we was going. By the time I reached, I was hungry again. When I went to a little mall, we did a little window shopping. You know? So I told first lady, I'm hungry. First lady said, Richie, I'm not eating anything else for the day. Okay? I don't mess up my food when I get here. Hey, oh yeah. We're gonna be beasting, huh? I'm like, I'm excited, like, yeah, she's hungry.
He had no idea where I was taking him.
I didn't have no clue where she was taking me, family. But all I know it's something to do with food. You know what I'm saying? So She said, no, I'm keeping my appetite. I don't want to be full. No, it's okay. So she's gonna be tearing that food up. So, you know me, I'm hungry, so I stopped. Got me some Chick-fil-A. You know what I'm saying, family? So I ate that. It was like 12 o'clock, and our reservation was like 7 o'clock. She said, what, 12 o'clock?
Like 3.
3, sorry. Like 3. So I waited a long time from 10 o'clock. So you know how much I was there till 3 o'clock. So you know my belly growling. I said, yo, I can't wait till 7 o'clock. I need something to eat. She said, yo, you ain't gonna eat the food, gonna get it. I looked at her and said, yeah, talk for yourself. So she said she's having an appetite, right? I said, okay. So I ate my Chick-fil-A, you know what I'm saying? She didn't want any, so I ate mine. Went back to the hotel. She went in the pool for a little bit. I was trying to go live, but nobody came on.
Hey, knock it, baby.
I was trying to go live, family, but nobody came on, so I just came off.
Yeah, that's true.
Right? And that was about 5 and change. Alright. Sit back for a little bit, so we just went upstairs now, we're chilling. Showered up and everything, so first I said, damn, I'm gonna tear up that food. She said, Richie, you're not gonna eat your food when you go to the thing, man. I said, what you talking about? I'm not gonna eat my food. I said, listen to me. I'm gonna eat my food. She said, I'm gonna tear that food up, family. You see, we went in that restaurant. We sat down. It was so much food all around.
So much food.
So much food. So I said, all right, yes. First thing, you're gonna go in. Family, this restaurant where we went to, they walk around and like they serve you all different type of meats.
I know, Richie love meat.
I love my meat, family. So had all you could, everything. Lamb chop, steak, this kind of barbecue chicken, this homemade chicken,
Parmesan cheese chicken,
everything from every meat they had. So it's like a place you could turn over your card. If it's on green, that means you're ready to go.
It's a Brazilian restaurant.
Brazilian restaurant. You probably know. What's it called?
I know.
Okay.
But it's Brazilian.
Yeah. So I see first they turn over the card. I said, yeah, she about to go in. Rotted family. First they said, let me get that meat. So I said, whatever she's taking, I'm taking, as long as that pork. The red sauce. So I see first lady full up her plate with meat. I said, God damn, she gonna go in.
Oh, excuse me, guys.
Yes. I said, she gonna go in, right, family? Cause she said she ain't eating nothing from 10 o'clock. Okay. I said, okay.
Gotta talk all my business.
First day to the first bite. I said, yo, I'm full. Too much meat.
It was too much.
I said, wait a minute. You got all that meat on your plate? You only took one bite and you full already, family?
I took more than one bite time.
I went to like about 6 different pieces of meat on my plate, plus rice, plus gravy, plus salad. Everything, family. Brush it down, right? Came back. First I said, oh, that's it, I'm full. I said, what the hell? I said, okay, you full, let me eat. Went back around, family, started eating. First lady was out on the first bite. And she said she was hungry from 10 o'clock.
This was like 7:30.
And it was 7:30.
I ate again.
She took 2 bites out of the food and she was full. I said, no.
It was too much food. I don't like so much, and I know you're saying, but you guys are mukbangers. You guys eat a lot of food. We eat what we can handle, right? And then it was just too much meat in front of me, and it was just too much food. I think it just turned me off. It's almost like eating a big chicken. Like if I see a big chicken, no matter how much I'm hungry, I don't want to eat no more. The chicken too big. Not like big chicken, man.
Family, I did with that food wickedly.
You should tore that food up. It was very good though.
It was a good spot. Great spot. You know what I'm saying? Well, that's why I laughed. When she said she's hungry. You know what I'm saying? Because I want to see what damage she's going to do today. But yeah. Other than that, my birthday was good, you know? Good time. But my first day hungry, she hungry.
And I'm full,
Yeah, this season I think is good.
Guys, this is a little bit messy, but that's okay. Because remember, it has a lot of seasoning batter on it.
Messy.
Messy in a good way, though. So, it was like a whole week adventure for the hubby because we went fishing. You know, he loved fishing. We love fishing, so we went fishing. We had a good time. And we came back.
Yeah.
This is good. It's a good idea, Tom.
Really good. Yeah. Gotta eat some crabs, huh? Can't get no king crabs, so we have to substitute. You gotta get little crabs.
Shit, 2 king crab claws would have been the same price as this. Ooh, shit. I did 2 bags. But it is meaty, so I get it.
Wow.
Hopefully, king crab will go down.
King crab ain't got nothing on me.
For real, this is good.
The seasoning on this.
It's fire.
Wow.
With the sauce, it's really good.
Wow.
Can't let no meat go on waste, my you.
Wow. So other than that, how was y'all weekend? What y'all did? Shout out to all the Aries again, you know, in the building. All the Aries, shout out to y'all. No? Hope you had a wonderful birthday too.
If you had a birthday, tell us what you did on your birthday. Let us know.
We're nosy. Wow. One more napkin? A lot of sweeping up today.
I know.
Yep, let us know. Comment down, let us know what y'all did for your birthday.
And how was your Easter? Our Easter was good.
Yep.
It was really good. We had family over. We had a little barbecue. Richie made his steamed fish. I made manish water. Richie made fried fish. It was really good. And then we had some burgers and hot dog for the Americans. You want your manish water?
Wow. Hear that crack?
Whew.
Hear that crack, Jack?
Yeah, man. Imagine the blue crab like this. But
look at that.
It's already, ooh, it's already.
Nice piece of long
Can I have it?
Want it?
Oh, this baby. You're so nice.
Perfectly, don't get meat. No, I love meat. My,
I want to see
she love meat. That was a good piece. You know why you shrimp ready?
Yeah, I tore up my shrimps.
Yeah.
My shrimps are good. You know my shrimp?
I ring I don't have to do it. There's probably people there. Somebody's at that ring. Probably for the thing, the delivery. Oh, I had mushroom right here. What the hell?
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I didn't tell me. Somebody was trying to hide it.
That's our dog, guys. You guys know we have a dog. The doorbell rang, so you know she gonna do what she gonna do. Attack mode.
She's a door police.
Even when the people them drop off the package and already in the car, gone with their business, she still a bark.
Yep. She'll keep barking though.
It better not be that man, you know?
How?
I tell you. Probably the package. We have someone coming here to do some work. And they told us that they'll call before they come. So.
Good to have a camera.
Oh my gosh. It don't make no sense to even tell that dog to be quiet. You know, she run us. She run the world.
Wow.
He did a really good job, y'all.
Good. I ain't gonna cap on
He
that.
fried this really good.
All the bones on it.
So good. Yeah, we had so like I was saying, we had a good time for Easter, and I made some manish water. For those of you who don't know, we had it on the channel before. It's basically goat head soup, the head of the goat. And sometimes, well, when I make my goat head soup, I put goat belly. So it's goat head and goat belly.
Yes,
Don't knock it till you try it. We've had parties where people, American people, you know, people who are not Caribbean, have came and they have no idea what it is, and they just say, "Oh, let me just have some soup." And they're drinking and they're like, "Man, this is good."
True talk.
What is it? And we're like, "Oh, it's goat head soup." And they're like, "What?" Manish water. What? Okay. I'm so messy. So we're like, it's goat head soup. We're like, wait, the head of the goat? And we're like, yes. And we either get one or the other reaction. The person goes, well, whatever. That shit is too good. I don't care what's in there. Or they'll be like, well, I don't want any more. You know what I mean? But 9 times out of 10, the person is like, whatever. Yeah,
I like it.
That's how my stepsister is. When she came, and I made it, we had a party for my dad, and I made it, and she was tearing it up. My mom was like, you know, that's goat head. And she was like, too late now, I love this soup.
Bussin'.
She was like, I don't care what you told me was in here. I'm still eating it. Period. Period.
25 minutes every time?
Yeah, my youth. A long time then I see us, man. Good.
This was a good meal.
Yes. Yeah.
Good meal. Appreciate it.
If we look messy, guys, you know how it goes already. Yeah, spit again.
Spit again. I love you. Spit my you.
Inside joke.
Oh, inside joke.
So,
Wow.
that ever happened to you guys? I know Richie stopped telling the story already, but when you're eating something, you're really hungry, and you start eating, you're like, I'm not hungry anymore. It can't just be me.
You, man, you have so much stomach, man.
This sauce is really good.
It is good. It was only you have so much stomach. Wow.
Why every time I eat, my nose always scratch me?
Knuckle last, a knuckle for last.
This right here, I'm telling you, it's so easy and so good. That was good.
Yes, I'm not talking about it. I eat, man.
Whew. Yeah. I'm feeling good.
Yeah, that time now you're full. All right. You eat a lot though.
I'm still eating because I'm full, but I'm not.
None of the beer?
No, sir.
Wow.
Ooh, it's so juicy, yeah. I look at the camera. I don't have my glasses on. I'm like, guys, you gotta try this. It's like heaven. Oh my gosh. The batter that he used. What batter is the Tom?
I don't know
The Zanare. I think the Zanare fish fry batter. And then of course, what is mine?
Yes.
You want this one, honey? Can I have that corn? Because you didn't finish the edge of it, mine.
Corn done, mine.
The corn is not done.
Corn done.
Where's my corn?
Corn done.
I'm telling you. Get the ranch dressing that is in the produce section. It's much better for you. Okay? I think someone in the comment section told me one that I'm gonna try. It's in the It's in the produce section. Forgot the name. You crack it for me. You crack it for me. Instead of trying to teach my food, my you.
Crack your money.
No, you crack it. I'm taking way too long with my stuff.
Wow.
Honey, you didn't think I was gonna eat all my food, huh?
Surprise me.
Surprise you, man. Cause seafood, especially like this, is not that don't fool you. If we had a lot of fried shrimp, then yeah. Or you see, if we had it where the crab was out of the shell, that would have fooled us. That would have fooled me. Wow.
Wow. And it's messy.
It is messy, but it is good. This is something you gotta eat outside.
Outside. Wow, this is beautiful.
You don't let nothing waste.
Nothing going away from me.
Nothing now waste, nothing now dash away. I did re-dye my hair, but Well, that's alright.
No.
I like it more white.
I like it black. How are you? Well, yeah, carried.
You full, baby? Why every time I ask you if you're full, you gotta answer me so shockingly? No man.
I have no idea it's full. You all the crab?
No sir.
You have that more?
When I was putting the crab up here, Richie said to me, "That's too much crab. We're not gonna finish all that crab."
They already gone. They're not here no more. They're gone. So you can like say whatever you want now.
That's true.
They're gone.
How much time now?
33.
You want them gone?
They're gone. They're gone already. They've been gone at 10.
Yeah. Trust me, YouTube tell us.
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me.
They've been gone at 10.
So freaking good.
If you're still here, comment no eat. Nope, that's not true. If you're here right now, say not true. Let's see. If you say not true, you get a shout out.
Yo. I know what I'm saying. This guy always say he gonna give me a shout out. I never get no freaking shout out. No.
Yep, so if you made it far again, thumbs up. Or not true. And get that big shout out. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all. Full?
I'm done.
Wow.
I demolished this food. Okay? Demolished it.
You did.
I told you I was hungry. I don't think I can eat outside food. I think I can only eat our food. Like this. I don't know.
I was hungry for real. This is good.
Oh, yeah, what I ate today? Wash my hands.
What you ate? Family, hold on. No, look, I'll be back. Oh.
I ate nothing today.
You didn't. It's our first thing.
Yeah.
For the both of us.
Yeah.
Alright, family. That was a mess.
Pig.
You're gonna have to clean up everything on the floor. We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. I got a little word for y'all today. What I got for y'all family members today? Family, friends, viewers, everybody that's watching, okay? First lady, listen. You can't control everything. Sometimes you just need to relax and have faith that things will work out. Let go a little and just let life happen. Okay? I'm gonna say it again for you. Okay?
Very true. Very true.
Family, remember, listen now. You can't control everything. Sometimes you just need to relax and have faith that things will work out. Let go a little and just let life happen.
Yeah.
If you could relate, participate, you know what I'm saying? If you can't, you know, it's all good. Thank you for listening. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. If you're new, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Like, comment, and share, you know, should have been said it from the get-go. But if you're new, I am Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady, and there you are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye!